In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress on hosting. I have already bought the domain. I will show you how to install WordPress in the domain. I'm in the hosting plan. I have already hosting plan and domain in the website. Click to here. Need to click on the add a website. Do you want to create a migrate website? As we are creating a new website and installing new WordPress on our new domain, so I will create. I will click on the. I will create a website. Okay. Hosting a website builder and WordPress. Hosting a website builder is a Zyro website builder. If you want to create a website on Zyro, you can click on it. I will select WordPress. Just click to next. Okay. It is the WordPress language. We will select English, and we have inserted our email on the hosting plan, and you need to provide password for the WordPress installation. Okay, done. Click to next. What type of website do you want to build? Actually, we will create blog website, so you will need to click on the blog website. Next. Okay. We don't want to click on the pre-built website or themes. We will skip the step. Create blank website. There are so many plugins recommendation to install. We will skip this step. Just need to skip. Okay. We will type our domain name here. Just selected the domain californiarealestates.xyz. You just need to click on the next. Okay, it will take a few minutes to install WordPress on the Hostinger domain. Just wait few minutes and you will get the live WordPress dashboard. As it is a new domain, so it will take a few minutes or hours to show it. It just hanged. You just need to go to the other tab. Just click on hosting, and on the website you will find your new installation here. Just click here. You just need to click on admin panel to go to the WordPress dashboard. See, we are in the WordPress dashboard, but domain looks little bit awkward. California real estate XYZ preview domain, because DNS take time 24 hours to propagate, so you will understand about it. It will be okay in 24 hour or few hour. We will now install our theme, free theme. We will use all free theme and plugin to create the blog website, and just a premium theme, just Elementor Pro. If you want to Elementor Pro, I will provide you for free, because for the educational purposes. Click to theme. Click to add a new theme. Ocean WP. I will use this free theme to create the blog website. Installation done. Just click to active. Is activated. Always, when you installed Ocean WP theme, it will ask you to install Ocean Extra. It's a theme extension. You just need to install and activate the extension. Okay, it's done. You can skip this step. Few required plugins. Elementor. You just need to install it and just activate. I'm just installing these free plugins and later I will install the Elementor Pro. I will skip this step. We can preview our website for now. Okay, this is a preview of our website. You can see this is our website and we will change all the thing from step by step. Just follow my videos and you will get the playlist to step by step from scratch. You can create a blog website. Just follow my video and thank you for watching my video. Thanks.